Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the source data so Excel can read it cleanly. Select a contiguous range with headers. Make sure there are no stray blank rows or merged cells that will confuse the chart engine. Once done, apply correct number formats like number, currency, or percent so labels display properly. You should also convert the range to a table Ctrl+T to lock headers and allow dynamic expansion. This makes future edits seamless and prevents accidental misalignment when you add rows. Now insert the chart and bind it to your prepared range. Use Insert Chart or Recommended Charts to pick the best type, then immediately choose Select Data to confirm series ranges and category labels. If you converted to a table, you can point the chart at the table name. This ensures the chart updates when you add rows. Make sure axis ranges are automatic, not fixed. Using structured references, like Table 1 Value, prevents broken links and keeps the legend accurate as you grow the dataset. To add data, insert new rows inside the table and type values. The chart updates instantly. If you used a static range instead, open Select Data and extend the series ranges or convert the range to a table now to avoid repeating this step. Once complete, adjust axis labels, data labels, and formatting for readability. If the chart does not update, make sure filters aren't hiding rows, check for blank header cells, and refresh any external connections. These are the common causes of missing points.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.